The adventures of Missy in the garden, helping us weed. Chickens are so funny.
That they are.
Hi, Missy.
Want to get in here and help? There's one.
Oh, thank God this is sand, otherwise my knees would be in terrible pain.
I know, right? Oh, right there, baby.
Get the buggy bugs, Missy.
Right here.
She's like, no.
Whoop. Oh, don't go in my glove, you. Missy.
It's on the ground now.
Right here. No? You don't like those?
I don't think she likes those. She hasn't been eating that kind. She likes the ant-looking ones. And the roly-polies.
Yeah, she definitely likes the roly-polies.
The sow bugs.
All chickens do.
Well, yeah, they're a delicacy. Don't you know that?
Practically.
And you call yourself a chicken lover.
It's the chicken version of chocolate chips.
It is. She's helping. She's all, yay, bugs.
I know.
Yeah, I'm trying to get dirt in my eyes.
Sorry.
And a turkey.
He's like, what is?
Are you gonna say something to my camera, dude? Oh, he doesn't gobble as much as the other boys.
Go.
Yeah, see, he's like totally not going for it. Where's your brother, dude?
He's the silent one.
I know it. He's a butt. Actually, he's the best one.
The silent Bob of turkeys.
The silent Bob of turkeys. That makes Putty J.
Yes.
Perhaps we should rename them then.
Bob and Jay.
The other turkeys. Where are the other chickens?
I have no idea.
Let's go find chickens.
Girl!
I found 2 of them.
I think Prissy left.
I don't know. Oh, look, a moose. It's a moose. Hi, moose. Here's a chicken. Does she have spurs? No. I think this is Prissy.
Yeah, that's Prissy.
And this is, I think this is baby again. Yep. I can only tell them apart by their nails. Moose. Where's the other moose? Hi, moose. Tama moose, what are you doing? Sleeping. Moosey. Moosey. Okay, go continue your moosey fate. Strutty, are you following me around, buddy? Where's the other one? Oh, way over there. At the coop.
But yeah, I totally call her turkey.
Hi, buddy.
And silent Bob. That'd be hilarious.
He's so pretty. And he's like, nope, get that out of my face.
I totally call her.
And a plane. Hi, Missy. Want any more buggies? We shall call this the farm documentaries.
Heck yeah.
I wish we had an actual camcorder because my camera only takes 6-minute videos.
I've actually been looking at wanting to get one, so.
Well, I'm going to end this for now since the rest of the chickens have left us.
Missy?
We only have 3 in here now.
No?
She's more interested in that plant. Yeah, she's totally like, whatever, dude.
Fine. Give it to someone else.
Prissy and Baby are over at the corner.
I feel.